Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this from. This is Dan. Today we are going to show you how you can just trade on Binance futures. Actually, this is the one of thing where so many people trend, especially if you just have at least small amount of money on the Binance. So this is very interesting. Make sure that you watch this video until the end, and make sure you also subscribe so that you can just get a notification anytime I just upload a new video just like this. And now what you just need is a Binance application, because you are going to use mobile phone right over here. And make sure that anytime you just download this application, you switch it to Pro, because if you just have the other version, and you will not be seeing these features over here. So make sure that you always tune it to Pro. And the next thing that we have to do over here is to buy. You have to buy the BTC or whatever you just want to buy. You can buy the stablecoin, that is USDT, right from P2P trading. That is very easy, okay? And the money will just be in your that is wallet, that is funding wallet. And the minimum you just need to trade on the Binance is 10 USDT. So that's around 1200 to 1100 Kenyan shillings. So that is the minimum that you just need to trade on Binance futures, and also on the Binance spot. But today we are just going to talk about the Binance futures, which is very interesting right over here. And after buying the USDT, the next step that you're going to do is to transfer the money now to the features, because all this you can see are our wallet. We are funding coin features, cross margin, isolated margin, and USD features. So we will be trading on USD features and features. This is where we just be trading our money, but our money currently is from funding to our AM features. So we are going to transfer that. Let me just click spot over here, because first of all you have to transfer to the spot, and then you use transfer to the M features. There's no direct way to transfer direct to the that is M feature. So I click transfer right over here, and then okay, I see what is just bringing over here. Yeah, so it is, can see. So let's select bit where it's coin. We have USDT. I always recommend that you buy USDT, because USDT is the only stable coin that we can see right over there, not fluctuating so much. USDT is so good. Even when the market was very down, USDT was just very stable. So if you can maybe buy the USDT, then that can just be very nice for you anytime you just want to trade, or anytime you just want maybe to store your money on the Binance over there. So I just have to alternate these arrows. I put the maximum. You can see I have at least 10 USDT over here. So there are three ways of trading on the Binance, as I was saying. And you can trade on Binance P2P, you can trade on the spot, and you can trade on M features, on features, yes, and also on the margin. Those are four of them. So it is very interesting when it comes to that. So we have transferred to the spot wallet, so that, and again now transfer to the features. Okay, now where we are going now to be trading our money from. It's very easy to do these things, especially when you are using the application. But make sure that your application, when you are using this application, at least you have a phone that has at least tick on a more than one RAM, so it can be very fast, especially when you are operating these things. Yeah, so we are going to transfer over here on the funding. We are going to click and find M features. Oh no, this is coin features, so we are not interested in coin features. We are going to M features. Yes. Yeah, and the coin we have to select is USDT, of course. So where is USDT? No. What's happened? From spot. No, this is coin features. M features. Oh yes, that one. So you select the USDT. I hope you follow in this, because so many people have problem of transferring from one wallet to another. So that's how it just become easy. So we have transferred our money from funding to the spot, and then from spot to in features. The next thing that you just do when you want to trade is to click trend down one over here. After clicking trend down one over here, then because we are now going to enter to the trend, so this is a spot. The next thing that we just be clicking over here, you can find P2P and all that thing. But for the features, you can see it is patterned right over here down one, so you just have to click features if you want to trade on Binance features. Okay, so this is our features, and you can see available balance right over here. It is reading 10.69. This balance